Azure Synapse Serverless Query is a cloud-based analytics service that allows users to query and analyze data from various sources without the need to manage infrastructure. This service is part of the Azure Synapse Analytics platform and provides a cost-effective way to perform ad hoc queries on large datasets. To get started with Azure Synapse Serverless Query, you need to have an Azure account and an Azure Synapse workspace. Once you have these, you can create a serverless query by navigating to the Azure Synapse workspace and clicking on the Query tab. From there, you can choose the data source you want to query, such as Azure Data Lake Storage or Azure Blob Storage. One of the key benefits of Azure Synapse Serverless Query is its ability to handle large datasets without the need to provision or manage infrastructure. This is done through the use of a distributed query engine that can scale up or down as needed. This makes it ideal for performing ad hoc queries or for testing and development purposes. Azure Synapse Serverless Query also supports a wide range of data formats, including CSV, JSON, and Parquet. This allows you to query data from various sources, such as log files, IoT devices, or social media platforms. Additionally, you can use Azure Synapse Serverless Query to query data from other Azure services, such as Azure Cosmos DB or Azure SQL Database. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use Azure Synapse Serverless Query for ad hoc queries or for testing and development purposes. For production workloads, it is recommended to use the provisioned query model, which provides more control over performance and cost. Another key concept is the use of query optimization techniques, such as caching and materialized views, to improve query performance. You can also use the Azure Synapse Query Editor to write and optimize your queries, which provides features such as auto-complete and syntax highlighting. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Serverless Query is a powerful tool for querying and analyzing data from various sources without the need to manage infrastructure. Its ability to handle large datasets, support a wide range of data formats, and provide a cost-effective way to perform ad hoc queries make it an ideal solution for data analytics and business intelligence workloads. By following best practices and using query optimization techniques, you can get the most out of Azure Synapse Serverless Query and take your data analytics to the next level.